Why are you here? What do you want? Just think about that right now. Do you need a network of the right connections? Maybe you need a mentor to hold you accountable.
We want you to welcome your instructor and our friend, Rob Lett.
Please put your hands together for Rob Lett.
Ladies and gentlemen, bring to the stage, on your feet, Rob Lett.
Please join me in welcoming to the stage Rob Lett.
Hey, I'm Rob Lett. I'm a national speaker, a real estate investor, business strategist, and soon to be author of a brand new book called The Business Behind the Business. Now, this is not a book that you can even buy yet because it's not even for sale. Now, why do you even care? You care because the book has nothing to do with real estate investing. I feel like everybody and their mama is doing a real estate investing seminar. I don't have a seminar for you. I don't want you to meet me at a hotel. I don't want you to raise your hands 50,000 times. None of that, okay? What I have to say has a lot to do with how I got here. How a little known real estate investor went from obscurity to all of a sudden working with some of the biggest names in the business. Now, what's interesting, I find, is that in my 25-year plus career, I found a lot of real estate investors that are aware of this secret that I want to share with you. A lot of business owners are aware of this secret that I'm going to share with you. The question is, are you aware? Now, I'm not even 100% sure that I even want to write a book, to be honest with you. It might just be something that I just write and only share exclusively with my team. It really depends on you. It really depends on the interest that you have in this video. So if you'd like to find out more about how the business behind the business can actually impact your life and your business life, somewhere at the bottom of this video, you'll probably see a link in the description, or maybe there's a link attached to this video. Pretty soon, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold a webinar, and I'm going to be sharing some information that I don't think has ever been shared publicly. So when you find that link, enter your name, your email, your phone number, and I'll see you on the other side.